Hey everyone, today I'm talking about a fascinating topic that's crucial for anyone involved in research: realism versus idealism. Which approach is right for you? Let's unpack this. First up, realism. In the realm of research, realism is grounded in the belief that reality exists independently of our thoughts, perceptions, or beliefs. This is all about ontology, the nature of reality. Epistemologically speaking, knowledge in realism is gained through objective observation, measurement, and analysis. It can be tested and verified. In practice, realism aligns with quantitative research. This means using surveys, experiments, statistical models, and other measurable tools. The goal? To predict, generalize, and explain phenomena. For instance, think of randomized controlled trials or large-scale surveys. Now, there are different flavors of realism. Naive realism suggests reality is exactly as we perceive it. On the other hand, critical realism, championed by Roy Bhaskar, acknowledges that while there is a real world, our knowledge of it is always partial and theory-laden. Philosophers like Aristotle, Francis Bacon, and Karl Popper have also laid the groundwork for this approach. Switching gears, let's talk about idealism. Idealism posits that reality is mentally or socially constructed. It's not independent of our perception or context. In terms of epistemology, knowledge is viewed as subjective, context-bound, and based on interpretation. When it comes to research, idealism is the backbone of qualitative methods. This involves using interviews, ethnography, focus groups, and thematic analysis to explore meaning. The aim here isn't to generalize, but to understand individual or group perspectives. There are variations within idealism too. Constructivism argues that reality is co-constructed by researchers and participants. Interpretivism focuses on how people interpret and make sense of their experiences. Philosophers like Plato, Immanuel Kant, and Hans-Georg Gadamer have been pivotal in shaping these ideas. So let's compare the two. Realism, or quantitative research, sees reality as objective and external. It aims to measure, predict, and generalize using measurable, verifiable methods. The researcher's role is that of a detached, neutral observer. Validity here is about reliability and replicability. Idealism, or qualitative research, views reality as subjective and constructed. It seeks to understand, interpret, and explore using contextual interpretive methods. Researchers are active participants and co-interpreters. Validity is about credibility and transferability. Modern research often blends both approaches through mixed methods. This acknowledges that reality can have both objective and subjective dimensions. So, which approach is right for you? It depends on your research questions, your field of study, and what you're aiming to find out. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each can help you make an informed choice. Thanks for tuning in.